National Geographic Kids. Wild cats. Meet the cats. Wild cats aren't like house cats. Most wild cats live in wild places. They're found all over the world. Scientists have counted 35 species of wild cats. Let's meet some. Cats of the world. Some wild cats live in open grasslands. They're fast and powerful. They must be quick to chase animals across the grass. Wild cats also live in jungles and forests. Some are good at climbing trees. Many jungle cats enjoy swimming. Sometimes they even catch fish. Wild cats can be found in the cold, too. They often live in snowy mountains. These cats have thick fur to keep them warm. Their wide paws act like snowshoes. Only one type of wild cat makes its home in the desert. Meet the sand cat. It can live for months without drinking. It gets water from the food it eats. A cat up close. Wild cats live in many different habitats. But they have some things in common. Let's check out the body parts that cats have. 7 cool facts about wild cats. 1. All big cats roar. They do not purr the way other wild cats do. 2. Cheetahs are the world's fastest land animals. They can reach 65 miles an hour in seconds. 3. Big cats don't just roar. They also make a purr-like chuffle. It's their sound called a way of saying hello. 4. Many wild cats can catch animals that are more than twice their size. 5. Rusty spotted cats are the smallest wild cats. They weigh about 3 pounds. Tigers are the biggest cats. They can weigh up to 660 pounds. 6. Sand cats have thick fur on their paws. This helps them walk in sand without sinking. 7. Snow leopards are great leapers. They can jump as far as 20 feet. Built to hunt. All cats eat meat. Wild cats must hunt for their food. They catch other animals. This is hard work. Many cats run fast and chase their prey. Others sneak up on it. Can you spot the cat in this picture? It's not so easy. Wild cats are great at hiding. They don't want their prey to see them and run away. Wild cats use camouflage, to blend in. Caring for cubs. Wild cats give birth to cubs. Young cubs drink milk from their mothers. Mothers teach their cubs how to hunt. When the cats are old enough, they go off to live on their own. Wild cat Q&A. Kids like you asked about wild cats. This is what they wanted to know. Why do cats scratch? Cats must keep their claws sharp and clean. So they scratch tree bark like it's a scratching post. Do some house cats live in the wild? Yes, they're called feral cats. They're the same species as house cats. But they act more like wild cats. Why can't wild cats live in people's homes? Wild cats wouldn't make good pets. They need to hunt and roam large areas. They can also be dangerous. Wild cats and people. Sometimes people move onto lands where wild cats live. This causes problems. The cats have less space to live and hunt in the wild. They might hunt people's farm animals instead. The people want to protect their animals. Helping hands. Some people are studying wild cats. This helps them learn how to protect the cats. Others are working on how to keep cats' habitats safe. We can work together to share the world with wild cats. What in the world? These pictures show up close. Views of things in a wild cat's world. Use the hints to figure out what's in the pictures. Answers are on page 31. 1. Hint: these help wild cats find their way in the dark. 2. Hint, wild cats give birth to these. 3. Hint, wild cats keep these sharp and clean. 4. Hint, this helps a wild cat balance. 5. Hint, this keeps wild cats warm. 6. Hint, only one type of wild cat lives here. Camouflage, an animal's color or pattern that helps it hide from other animals. Habitat, an animal's natural home. Prey, an animal that is eaten by another animal. Species, a group of related living things.